If your bash script cannot accept user inputs, they actually just static command. Real programs interact with users, they ask questions and respond differently based on actually what is typed. In bash, that power comes from one simple command, read. Today I'm going to teach you how to use it. First of all, we are going to open a Vim. We are going to type output.vim output.sh. As I told you before in the last video, every time you open a Vim, the first thing you need to do is press I to enter an insert mode. After pressing that, then you are going to press hash, then this, then bin slash bash slash bin slash bash then equal. Now I'm going to tell you what the use of this read. The read command poses the script and actually tells the bash to wait for input and so that it can actually store it inside a variable. In the last video, I taught people about variables. So if you watch the last video, you understand what a variable actually means. After that, you are going to press insert mode. After pressing insert, then you are going to press column, then WQ. Then you are going to make it executable. To make it executable, like I told you in the last video, is sudo gmod then plus x then output so that then sh. After that, you are going to type this, enter, dot slash output dot sh. That is what you are going to type. As you can see right now, it's showing us hello, this column. But right now, we just created a user input, but we did not create the actual user input that tells us what to like, what we want to write. So to create that, we are going to have to type vim. Let us enter our vim. I'm going to type read, then I'm going to type this, then I'm going to type enter your name, then colon, then name, then enter. Then I'm going to type echo. I'm going to, but before we even write that, you are going to have to put minus xp, minus p. I'm going to tell you what this minus p actually meant. This minus p tells the bash script to wait, displays a message to wait so that the user can actually type, or should I say to displace a message before accepting a user input. So let's you guys watch and see. After that, you are going to press escape, then this, then WQ. After that, you are going to press this output.sh. Then you are going to, as you can see, telling us like it's not like before that it did not tell us what we are going to type. Enter your name. I'm going to put Salisu. Then as you can see, hello Salisu. And we are done. We just created a user input command. And that's actually kind of pretty much easy. Now, if you want to create a user input for a password, you are going to have to is the other way around, because you have, as you can see right now, I just type read minus sp, then this, then enter your password, then this password, then echo. After that, then I press this password accepted. So this minus sp actually means for it to hide our password, like to hide it. As you can see, I combined this minus sp and the x. So the x actually means to hide the password so that other people can't see. Let me just type it so that you guys can see it and understand it better. As you can see right now, it's told me to type password. I just finished typing password. Password accepted. As you can see, that's actually kind of pretty much easy too as well. Now we just created a user input for collecting password. For setting a timeout. For timeout actually means what if like now you are finished, like a user open this, enter your password but do not type anything. So it could actually leave your system to get hanged. So I'm going to type a code that actually means that if the user didn't write anything within the next 5 seconds, the page will just disappear without leaving your system to be hanged. So just keep, you guys just watch and see. Output.sh. After that, then insert, then cancel. Now that I've finished typing the code, let me explain what the code means. As I told you, I've explained what this read means. So this minus t is actually a time limit. So, but it's actually a time limit in seconds. While this number 5 is the number, is the seconds. While this minus p, I've explained it, is like a prompt that gives you what to write. So right now that I just put enter your name, you have 5 seconds. So it just means that minus t is the time limit, while the 5 is the seconds, while the minus p is the prompt enter your name. While this if minus z, this is actually a string. From here to here is a string. But since you guys have not explained string, so you guys might find it a little bit confusing. But in the next video, I'm sure by going further, I'll explain what a string actually means. But for now, I'm just going to give you a small detailed explanation. So this if, then this string, then minus z. This minus z actually check if the variable is empty. Then I told him that if this variable is $name is empty, then echo no input received existing. So I told him that it should type echo no input is received existing. While this else, I told him that if the input has been received, it's going to tell echo hello $name, hello Salisu. As you can see right now, then this fi stand for finish, that I'm done, because without putting this finish, it's saying that there's still a code remaining. So let us just check it out so that you guys can see and understand. As you can see, it's telling me Salisu. As you can see, it told me Salisu no input received existing. So actually, I did not finish typing within the next 5 seconds. That's why it told me Salisu no input received. Let me try it again. Enter. Hello Salisu. As you can see, let me try it again so that you guys can see it again. I've not typed anything. As you can see, I've not typed anything. No input received existing. So as you can see, that's why this time limit is actually kind of important in any kind of websites that you are using. So now that I've explained what the use of time limits, I'm going to explain now here the code. Here's the code that I wrote. Read minus p, then enter your first and last name. The first, last, then equal first name, then I'm going to write my name, then the last name, I'm going to write my last name. As you can see right now, I made a mistake. It's showing me not valid identifier. So let me go back and check. Where's my mistake? Where did I make the mistake? Okay, I forgot to close it. It's supposed to be enter. As you can see, as fix it, I use read minus p, then enter your first and last, then name, then slash first last. So let me check it out. whether it actually did work. Output.sh. As you can see, enter our first and last. Salisu. Salisu. What is wrong? Name, first name, Salisu. So, let me try it again. So, okay, it's supposed to be combined. Salisu, then Muhammad, and enter. As you can see, Salisu Muhammad. Now we know how to write a multiple layer of command that we want. Now let us do a mini project by combining everything together so that you guys can see how the code will look like. Okay, as you can see, I just created a mini project. I wrote echo, then I put equals to. After that, then I wrote echo, then welcome to user info app. After that, then I wrote read minus p. This read minus p stands for what is your name. It's going to tell me what is your name. So I'm going to write down my name. Then it's going to show me again how old are you. Then I'm going to write down my age. After that, it's still going to show me again create a password. After that, I'm going to still write a password. Then after I'm done, it's going to show this echo in 10 years you will be age. Then it's going to show the age and it's going to show the name, and it will show the password hidden. It will show hidden. So let us type it and see whether I'm correct. What is your name? How old are you? I've entered my password. As you can see, it showed me in 10 years you'll be 33 years old. So this line 18 unexpected if while okay, line 18 is the password place. I think let me check what is wrong. 18 age. Okay, I don't put this. Don't actually put this. Then let me try it again. Escape. Then WQ. Okay, now let me check it. As you can see, welcome to user info app. What is your name? Sandisu. What is your age? Let me just put 23. Here's the password. I've created it. As you can see, name Salisu, age 23. In 10 years, you'll be 3 years old. Password hidden. And that's so. If this actually helps you out, please touch that subscribe button below so that you can, because in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to create an arithmetic, how to create